So what is up guys, welcome to HET Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, everyone is excited for the iPhone SE2. There are hundreds of thousands of videos and articles available online regarding this conspiracies or this really just loved smartphone. But guys, the obvious question is, when is this conspired or just a dream come true smartphone coming in the market? So guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling that what are the current predictions, that when is this iPhone SE2 going to be launched, and just what you need to do, and should you wait for this iPhone to be launched or should you go for the existing iPhone XR or the iPhone 11. So hope so you like today's video, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, before 2 weeks when this first article was out that Apple is working behind a smaller form factor iPhone, everyone was crazed enough and everyone had a lot of hype built within themselves that they are ready to skip the iPhones, the latest iPhones for this particular iPhone. And guys, the iPhone XR is available for under $500, the iPhone 11 is available for around $600, and just basically iPhones are getting a little bit cheaper, or just they're coming to their back value. But I want to just say, like this iPhone SE2, when iPhone SE first came in March in 2016, everybody was excited for this iPhone. And guys, later on gradually it became a well-selling smartphone, and all of the people who cannot afford to spend such a lot of amount behind an iPhone got an update with this iPhone SE. So the iPhone SE2, we all know that it's going to be coming with the iPhone 8's chassis, and just it's going to be a refresh of iPhone 8, or you can even say the iPhone SE2 as the iPhone 8s. But guys, what you need to know, or what nobody has talked about briefly, is when it's going to be launched. First of all, the first news which we got was it's going to be launched in January of 2020. So next year, after a couple of 4 or 5 months, Apple is going to be launching the iPhone SE2, and just everyone was crazy enough. Later on, few reports even came that Apple is going to be launching its iPhone in September event with the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, and just there is all everything is just summed up so that you don't know when it's going to be really launched. So guys, all of the recent reports tells that the iPhone SE2 is going to be launched in the first quarter of 2020, which is nothing but whenever Apple will conduct its worldwide developers conference, the WWDC, at that time or before that, or just like the iPod Touch 7th generation, they might just put it on their website and start selling those. So again, there is nothing much improved with this iPhone, there is nothing technologically revolutionary, but guys, still there is something there. But again, Apple doesn't see it as a revolution, so it might just put it on their website and start its sales. But guys, it is more highly appreciated that Apple will conduct this event at WWDC only. They will throw up a hardware component, as in last WWDC they introduced the Mac Pro with the XDR display, and now they might introduce the iPhone SE2. And guys, this only thing you need to know, it is going to be in the first quarter, or you can just say in the starting initial days, initial month, you can just take example like March or April will be my predictions are it's going to be launched in March or April. And guys, just I want to say, if you are planning to get the iPhone SE2 and ready to skip the iPhone XR and iPhone 11, my humble request will be, if you are excited what Apple will go for, you can definitely skip, but the iPhone XR and iPhone 11 are for the best values. If you are ready to spend a little more, definitely go for the iPhone 11 because it's the true value for the money. So hope you have liked today's video. This is a very short video I thought of making just to cover the topic that when the iPhone SE2 is supposed to come. So if you like today's video, and if you want the latest information from Apple ecosystem, consider subscribing and also leave a comment that what are your thoughts, and also don't forget to like today's video. So I will meet you with another beautiful video, and till then,